Hello, my lovelies. Can't talk. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. My hair is looking a little crazy, frizzy stuff right now. Just because I got back from the gym. I went in the sauna and then I took a shower and I just kind of like threw my robe on, you know, super comfy robe. I love this one because got the whole bunny ears going on. Very, very comfy. But today I have a FabfitFun. See, this piece of hair is going to be obnoxious. Today I have a FabfitFun starter box to open. I'm very excited. This is only like you pay $5 and they ship it to you. I've gotten FabfitFun in the past, but it's been quite some time. Someone here that has been very sweet comment, you know, she always comments on my videos and supports me. Follow her on Facebook as well. Her name's Missy. She's super, super sweet. I think that she should start a YouTube channel as well. My question to her is, why haven't you started a YouTube channel? You totally should. I feel like she'd be great for it. But anyway, she had some free codes to send to, you know, to give some people. So I took her up on the offer. Obviously, just had a different email address that I could use. So why not get a little something something for only $5? So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up. I have no idea what's going to be in here. I don't really have high hopes, but sometimes FabfitFun can be great. Sometimes I just feel like not so much, you know. If you want to see previous videos from FabfitFun that I've filmed, you can definitely go check those out. But let's see what's in here. Let's see. All right. So first is this bag right here, and this is a Maya Melange handcrafted design. Black and white, very cute, definitely my colors, the colors that I like of black and white. It doesn't have, oh, okay, yeah, it's got these little handles right here. Yeah, I don't know, it is not really something I would use, just because I don't really use bags like this, but that's pretty cute. I'll probably give that away. Next up is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I've used this before and I actually really like it. I'm not sure if I got it from FabfitFun. But I'm going to actually add this into a giveaway that I'll be doing on my Facebook. So be sure to follow me on Facebook. I will try to remember to link it down below. If if I don't link it, my Facebook is Katie James, Katy James. So you can follow me on there. Like I said, I will try to link it down below for you guys. Okay, next up is this. This is a pure, like the brand Pure, and it is an Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. I'm not the biggest fan of oils. Oh, that is really freaking pretty. Look at that. I want to put a little on my, it smells pretty good. I'm like wondering, I'll just pump a little bit just in case I decide not to keep it. I didn't put it on my, I didn't touch the dropper with my skin, just for sanitary reasons. That's pretty. I don't know, I'm just like not the biggest fan of oils, so I will add this into a giveaway as well. And last but not least, that's in here is, ooh, okay, oh, what the heck, yes, how freaking cool, this came like perfect timing. Matt and I are actually going to, okay, how freaking cute, okay. I'm not huge into like designer stuff. I don't spend money on like high-end stuff, but this is really freaking cool to have. This is a Michael Kors passport wallet. And okay, now that is freaking awesome. Matt and I are actually, okay, this is so cute. Matt and I are actually leaving to go to the Cayman Islands next year for his friend's wedding. So freaking cute that I have my own little passport book. How cute! I would have never have thought that. Plus, I feel so fancy because it's Michael Kors. So this this came in with 4 different things. A pretty great variety. Y'all gonna be getting 2 of them. The glow oil and then the lip mask. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know where I post these for my giveaway. The bag I'll probably like end up selling or something or giving to someone. But that little passport thing was just freaking awesome, and all of this for only $5. So thank you so much, Missy, for sending me that code. If anyone ever ask if you have gotten FabfitFun or not, and they have like a starter kit code, definitely take advantage of it because you can get some awesome stuff like this. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have a handful of other videos coming up in the next like week. I'm trying to pump them out. I have some really great unboxings and stuff that I'm doing. The lighting will be a heck of a lot better next time in the next video, I promise. Right now it's like 8 p.m. at night. So the lighting is kind of meh. And I feel like I'm looking a little grainy, so I apologize for that. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification button. I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now, so be sure you go check that out. You can enter 1 time per day. I'll probably be ending that probably by the end of December for sure, so it can go on for a little bit. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.